Okay, welcome back students. 22 March 2020. We remember this date, right? And mostly we should remember the day as well. 22 March 2020, the first Janta curfew was imposed, and because of coronavirus we are all staying at home, away from our classroom and school. We must be missing them right now. Alright, 22 March 2020, let's find out the day. I know the answer. Before solving it was Sunday. Let's try to prove that it was Sunday. So first of all, the base century is 2000. For all base century 2000, we just count it 100, 200, 300, 400, 800, 1200, 1600 and 2000. So that's just the basic counting. 0 odd days for any question which is base 2000. And then we come to complete year. The complete years, remember the formula, months and days. Year 2019 was complete. So in 19, how many leap year, non-leap year? 19 we have 4 leap year, 4, 8, 12 and 16, only 4 factors, and total 19, 4 and 15 are non-leap years. 2 odd days and 1 odd day, 15 and 8. 15 and 8 is 23. These are from the years we are deriving. Divide by 7. Factor remainder is 2. So the factor is 2 odd days, or the remainder is 2. So because of year 2019, leap year, non-leap year, we derive and we get 2 odd days. Let's quickly to months. Month is complete months is January and February only. January 31, February, go back to question is 2020. 2020 is a leap year because it is divisible by 4, it is a leap year, so days are 29. Make sure you do it correct, otherwise you will lose 1 day here. Odd day 3, odd day 1. Total odd days out of month 4, divisible by 7, 4 is not divisible straight away, the remainder is 4. So 4 odd days because of month. And days, 22 days divided by 7 is 1 odd day. 1 odd day. Total odd days, this is because of days, month, year and century. Century is 0, so just add on these days. 1, 2 and 7. 7 is the total. 7 divided by 7 is 0. 0 means your answer is Sunday. So we have proved that 22 March 2020 was a Sunday out of the formula. So year, months, days, just remember the basic formulas. Remember 5310 is the key for century. 5310 is the key for century, 100, 200, 300, 400 and so on. So this was your topic calendar. Let's shift to pretty simple topic, clock as well. Let's wrap the topic up. Clocks, you have to remember just 2 formulas. One formula, normally what questions ask, the first formula will ask, when the time is given, you have time which is given and you need to find the angle between the hands. Just use this formula. The formula is 30h, it's given in your books as well, 30h minus 11 by 2m. And this is automatically the degree sign. H is hour hand time and M is minute hand time. So if I just talk about this formula, say 5:15, what will be the angle? 5 is H, M is 15, you just put in this formula and you will get the answer. So that is pretty simple. When you have time and you need to find the angle, you will use this formula, 30h minus 11 by 2m. Second formula is when you have the angle. When you have the angle is given and you need to find the time, you need to derive it back. The formula is again given in your books. It's 2 by 11 30h plus minus q. Q is basically, here is the angle. Q is the angle which is given to you. Q is the angle H is again the base hour. The question will be given like, what will be the time after 5 o'clock? What will be the time after 5 o'clock when the angle between the hands will be say 90 degree? What will be the time after 5 o'clock when the angle between the hands is 90 degree? So you need to find out time. So here 5 is base hour is H, 90 degree is Q. You just put in the formula. You will get 2 answer plus minus is for 2 answers. If you get 2 answers, one will be the less and one will be the greater time. So once you calculate final time, you will be able to get to the final answer. So this is your another topic, clocks. 2 simple formulas. Time is given. If you find out the angle, you need to use just this formula. I have given you the example 5:15, H and M. And second, when angle is given, you need to find out time. Just use this formula 2 by 11:38 plus minus Q. Q is angle, H is base hour. So just try to solve few problems from your exercise based upon these 2 formulas from clocks and calendar. I have already explained you. If you have any problems, get back to us and we'll be able to help you. Thank you.